Hello dear friends! In this video I will show you how to make a simple homemade cake with cashew nuts. Start by thoroughly mixing eggs, sour cream and vanilla essence in a bowl. In another bowl, combine flour, baking powder and granulated sugar. Add cold butter, cut into small pieces. First, I mix the butter with the flour using a scraper, then rub it into fine crumbs with my hands, as shown in the video. Next, add the sour cream mixed with the eggs. Knead the dough well until it comes together into a single mass, then divide it into 5 equal parts. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 20 to 30 minutes. While the dough is chilling in the fridge, let's prepare the cream. Chop the nuts and chocolate with a knife. Mix sifted cocoa powder and flour with half of the milk. Whisk thoroughly until smooth, ensuring there are no lumps. Heat the remaining milk on the stove until it comes to a boil. Add sugar and stir until fully dissolved, then pour in the cocoa flour mixture while stirring constantly. Cook over low heat until thickened. Add chopped chocolate, rum and vanilla essence. Cover the cream with plastic wrap directly on its surface after it cools slightly and let it cool completely to room temperature. Take one portion of dough out of the fridge. Roll it out on parchment paper to the desired size. Poke holes in it with a fork to ensure even baking, then bake it in the oven. I will provide the baking temperature and time below this video. Repeat this process with all portions of dough. Once both the cake layers and cream have cooled, it's time to assemble the cake. Spread a little cream on your cake board or serving plate as a base, then place one layer on top. One of my layers cracked a bit, but that's okay. Soak the layer lightly with syrup or liquid, optional, then spread some cream evenly over it. Sprinkle chopped nuts on top and smooth them slightly with a spatula. Repeat this process for all layers. Place a layer, soak if desired, spread cream, and sprinkle with nuts. For the final layer, soak it. If using syrup, spread cream evenly over it and use any remaining cream to coat the sides of the cake. For decoration, I place roasted cashew halves on top of the cake. You can also simply sprinkle chopped nuts over it for a simpler look. After assembling, let the cake sit at room temperature for 1 hour so that the layers begin to absorb moisture from the cream. Then refrigerate it for at least 6 to 8 hours, overnight is even better, to allow it to fully set and become tender. Take the cake out of the fridge, trim any uneven edges if needed, and enjoy. This is an easy-to-make homemade cake that anyone can prepare. It's perfect for a cozy family tea time.